Today we're going to learn about the college planning options available in Xello. Not only can you research schools, but as a senior you can track all of your applications here in Xello and tie it to Common App if you're applying to more than one college at a time using this process. So I'm going to choose college planning, and you notice I have a few colleges preloaded here. Now these are not the applications themselves. This is actually where I can keep track of the ones I have applied for, as well as request transcripts and letters of recommendation and see deadlines. The bottom part down here, local scholarships, you actually won't find those here in Xello for the Marysville School District. Your career and college readiness counselors will send you emails to either a Google Classroom or directly to your email with local scholarships. And then down below here is just some general knowledge about things like FAFSA, grants, work studies, loans, as well as transcripts and letters of recommendation. You'll probably spend most of your time up here at the top under college applications. So, to create a new application, which just means I'm tracking what I'm doing in Xello, I'm going to click Create New Application and type in the school I'm probably going to apply to. So for example, maybe the University of Washington, Bothell. I'm going to select this item. It will turn purple with a check mark and choose Next. Now, it looks like Common App is the only way that this school accepts applications. So I'm going to choose Common App. And again, that's one common application with just a few extra things that can be added. So you can apply to multiple schools with just one app. For admission type, I can decide if I'm going to apply early or regular. And then it pre-fills in the date for me. So it already knows when this school is going to be accepting applications until. Then you'll choose Create. Now, the nice thing about Common App here is that it does tell me if I need to connect it to my Common App account. So that will be in another video how to do that. But I do have a button here. Common App and Xello can talk to each other so that if counselors submit transcripts or letters of recommendation, they'll all be connected. So I'm going to go ahead and start the process back at the beginning and show you what happens if it's a non-Common App school. So let me back up just a moment. Okay, let's choose Eastern Washington University. Okay, so now I can choose Common App if I'm using that connected common application. Or if I just want to directly apply, I can choose Direct Apply. I'm going to select the admission type as maybe regular decision. Notice again, the date is listed here. And then choose Create. Now, the nice thing about Common App is for Eastern Washington University, it knows I'm going to need transcripts, and I have the request button right here. So I'm going to choose Request, and this request goes directly to your either high school counselors are watching for these to come through or your school's registrar, and they are able to electronically send transcripts. And it's just as easy as that. Now, occasionally you'll get a school that has recommendation letters, okay? And if you do, for instance, Berry College here, it knows how many letters or recommendations you need, and you can request those directly from a teacher at your school. Now, when you go to request a letter of recommendation, you will need to type a note. Notice it says 100 characters, so please write your teachers a note telling them what it's for and politely asking them if they could write a letter maybe for college, addressing your academics and then your personal traits. If you'd like to attach a PDF, which remember is just a glued together Google Doc, of maybe your activities or a resume to help them know more about you, that's always a good idea as well. You'll click the Send button, and that will go directly to their email, and it will ask them to complete a letter of recommendation here in Xello. So once I have added some schools that I want to add, I can continue to monitor those in this section by saying View My Applications. And notice here I can see all the colleges I have added, whether I need to connect to Common App or not, and what I have requested and what it is that I need. So this is just a great opportunity for you to see everything in one place and also get those letters of recommendation and transcripts out